Alright, we're going to start by adding our butter to the pot. We're going to add the marshmallows and mix until they are melted. We want to do this over medium-low heat because we don't want them to burn. Doing them at a low heat will also keep the Rice Krispie treats from getting hard at the very end. So we're going to continue to stir the entire time until the marshmallows are completely melted. Once they get to about this point where they're basically melted, we're going to start adding our food coloring. So we're using natural food coloring, so we have to use quite a bit just to get some of the color. We're going to go for orange here, but you can do purple, green, black, brown, whatever you want to do, it doesn't matter. Just add your food coloring, continue to stir until you get the exact color that you want. Because we're using natural food color, we had to add a little bit more to get the orange that we were going for. So continue to stir. Once you get the color you want, go ahead and add 3 cups of the Rice Krispies. This is half of the Rice Krispies because we're going to do this in 2 batches to get 2 different colors. So we're going to mix in the marshmallows with the Rice Krispies until they're completely coated. Just continue mixing. As soon as they're coated, go ahead and remove them from the heat and put them aside. I ended up washing the pot and redoing it with the green. So once we have our next color, do the exact same thing. Add your 3 cups of Rice Krispie treats, mix it up. Continue mixing until you've got it all mixed. Green is my favorite color. Green and purple would be nice too. So continue to mix until you get it. At this point, you could mix in any kind of candy if you wanted to. Add them in little balls to your pot or to your pan. Press them down gently. You don't want to press too hard because it will end up in a hard Rice Krispie treat. So top them with your sprinkles, any kind of decorations or candy that you want. Cut them into squares and serve them. And that's it.